So, you've got loads of cool ideas that could change your recruiting life. But who's been listening? Communication is tough. Hundreds of candidates apply and are lost in overflowing inboxes every day. Suppliers are a pain to manage, and tying your shoelaces with boxing gloves is easier than advertising your vacancies. And then there's reporting. Which of your suppliers and adverts are performing? Technology seems to be the way to go, with everyone promising great results, but no one ticking all the boxes. At Hirestorm, we have been listening. We've traveled the world to meet hundreds of HR teams, and guess what? It's pretty clear there's a need for a different type of service. A service with a unique combination of simple technology and manpower. A service that works the way you want to work and deals with the real challenges you face every day. We've created a technology platform that sits in the cloud. That means no hardware, no upgrades, no hassle. At the click of a few buttons, manage your global supplier library, post your vacancies to multiple places, and everybody involved in recruiting can chat together on one platform. Combine this with much-needed manpower from our team, and hey presto! We thank every candidate for applying, add them to your talent pool, and then automatically update them with your new vacancies, while also reaching out to invite top performers to come and learn more about your business. And the icing on the cake is that we ask everyone in your talent pool what they think of your company and sector, to find out what you need to do to retain your great people. Genius, huh? Oh, and that's not the half of it. Hirestorm, uniquely focused on attracting, recruiting, and retaining the best talent for you.